Look at all the cows.
Corn
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Pull up a little bit.
Wow.
What is that? You look in there. There's bits of corn. There's bits of corn stalk. There's some haylage in there. There's a soybean meal mineral mix. So the idea is a total mix ration. Every bite is a perfect mixture of what the cow's nutritional needs for the day.
How do you mix it? I mean, because you just don't. I mean, you can't just put it in a silo, open pit silo that way, do you? Or do you?
What it is, basically, it's a large KitchenAid that we have.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, and just mix it all up in there?
So it's we'll take a swing down to the feed center. I'll show you specifically.
Cool.
But it's a big truck, and inside are some two big screws, two big augers. It's a vertical mix type mixer is what it is.
Okay.
And yeah, so basically just dump all the feed stuffs in together, and it mixes everything up according to the specification.
He likes his toy. Oh, it feels good. Oh.
So how does the cow know when to come in and when to go out?
Holy cow. That's crazy.
And they kind of enjoy the ride. So they, basically what happens is they came from the pen, they take them to the home area and still here. There's a crowd gate that follows them up. So if
they're all looking at us now. Like, I know.
Huh.
We're on display for them.
Oh, I'll bet you that's electrical. That's got to be electrical conduit because it goes in the electrical panel over there.
That's crazy.
That's amazing.